Coronavirus, it's over. It's not over. But the bike build-off is over, or it's gonna end next month. Hopefully coronavirus decides to end when we call the bike build-off, which is June, July. The end of July is when we're gonna call the coronavirus bike build-off. And coronavirus, you're done. With the end of the coronavirus bike build-off comes the cash prizes. Comes $3,500 to the winner of the coronavirus bike build-off. Second place, $2,000 in products from Paughco and RSD from RolandSandsDesign. You have $2,000 to spend. Third place, $500 to the charity of your choice, as well an RSD gift pack. We're gonna give the RSD gift pack to both the first, second, and third place winners. In 2 weeks, we're going to introduce the top 20 bikes for the coronavirus bike build-off, and from those top 20 bikes, we're gonna pick 3 winners. So please, if you're building a bike and you've been thinking about entering it in the coronavirus bike build-off, now's the time. You're gonna have an opportunity to win $3,500 cash by just literally hashtagging the bike that you've been building during coronavirus. Post it the next 2 weeks, and we're gonna post the top 20 bikes, and we're gonna pick a winner end of July. We started this thing 4 months ago. That's enough time to build a bike. 4 months is enough time to build a bike. This is the end, this is it. We're gonna wrap it up. We want you to be a part of it. We want your build to be a part of it. We wanna see what you've done in your garage while you've been at home. Maybe built a trike, maybe built a bike, maybe built a bicycle, maybe built a hover bike, I don't know.